Splat the Cat by Rob Scotton. It was early in the morning and Splat was wide awake. Today was his first day at cat school, and his tail wiggled and wildly with worry. If I hide from the day, maybe it'll go away, he thought. It didn't go away. Time to get up, said his mom. Time to get dressed, said his mom. I don't have any clean socks, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat. You don't wear socks, said his mom. I'm having a bad hair day, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat. His mom combed his hair. Perfect, she said. Don't forget your lunchbox, said his mom. I'll need a friend today, thought Splat. And he dropped his pet mouse Seymour into his lunchbox. Time to go, said his mom. The front door won't let me out, Mom. The gate won't let go of my fingers, Mom. The lamppost won't get out of my way, Mom. Mom! You can ride your bike if you like, Splat, said his mom. So he did, but he didn't say a single word. Welcome to cat school, said a big round cat. I'm Mrs. Wimpledimple, your teacher. Splat's mom gave him a hug. I'll be back soon, she said. You'll be fine. Everyone, this is Splat. Let's welcome him into our class, said Mrs. Wimpledimple. Hi, Splat! Mrs. Wimpledimple began. Cats are amazing, she said. We're clever and cunning and quick. Am I amazing too? Asked Splat. Yes, you too, said Mrs. Wimpledimple. Cats can climb trees, they drink milk, and they chase mice, she continued. Why do we chase mice? Asked Splat. It's what we do, replied Mrs. Wimpledimple. Why? Asked Splat. Because. Why? Mrs. Wimpledimple sighed. Lunchtime, she announced. Salt opened his box. Mouse! That's what cats do. Oh no, they're chasing his pet. Seymour hid behind a glass bottle, and when the cats saw his face through the glass, they screamed and ran away. Seymour did what all mice do. Stop! Cried Splat. Splat! They didn't stop. Enough, said Mrs. Wimpledimple. It ended. It's milk time. Hooray! But the door to the milk cupboard was stuck. No milk today, Mrs. Wimple announced. Splat whispered into Seymour's ear. Seymour nodded, and then, a moment later, the door swung open. Yum! Mrs. Wimpledimple wrote again on the chalkboard. Cats don't chase mice. Hooray! Cheered the class. Soon it was time to go home. Splat's mom returned and gave him a big hug. I've got lots of friends. Cats don't chase mice. And I'm amazing. It was early the next morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his second day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with excitement. Have a wonderful day.